Alright, this is the video to show you how to use my picture. Now, what you probably want, what I want to show you first so you don't have to ask me later, the reason I'm doing this is because, let's go to the game for a minute. If you didn't follow my instructions, this is what you will see. Alright, so we'll go to the rosters and we'll go to the Bulls. Okay, actually no. So let's just imagine that this is my photo here. I didn't go and do what I was supposed to do in Hades. But this is what you'll see. Longley has Jordan's picture. Wennington has Jordan's picture. Simpkins has it. Sally has it. Edwards has it. Haley has it. So I'm going to show you how to change their photos. Now these are just random photos that I found and used to replace those photos. So I can use the Jordan photo. So if you have other created players that don't have a picture, expect them to have the Jordan photo. There's no way around it. This is the only way that I was able to add this photo into the game. Okay? So, after you've put the global IFF in your folder, what you're going to want to do is you want to go to Hades, and you're going to want to open this up. So let's say we're going to go here to roster 2. And we're going to open this up, and we're going to go find the old Bulls. They're right there. Jordan, you want to name this 3373, and then you want to go into your folder and find that IFF 943. Once you find it, mine's not in there anymore, you're going to rename it. You're going to right click on it and rename it to 3373 PNG 3373 IFF. You get what I'm saying. Now, let's see, where was I? Now for Longley, what you're going to do is you're going to change Longley. Here, I'm going to show you in my other one here. So this is where you're going to get new photos. Now for Longley, what you want to do, there's a hidden photo in here. You only have to do this for Longley. The other players you don't. Look for folder 1244. Search for it. Find it in your folder. Delete it. Get rid of it. Okay? Now, once you've done that, so we're going to go down to the Bulls team. So here you see how I've got 3373 here, and then the rest is 943. Longley, you're going to change his face ID to 1244, and then you're going to go into the folder and you're going to look for his file number. Look in Hades to find it. I'm not going to tell you every one there is because you have access to it. So you'll have his number there. Go in here, find his PNG, and rename it to 1244. Okay. Now next would be Dickie Simpkins. Again, you're going to change his face ID to 380. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go look for his file number, which is 3014 here, and you're going to rename it to 380. If you don't do this with them, they will have no heads and they'll all have white arms. So remember, Simpkins is 380. Now, Bill Wennington, change it to 371. Again, go in here and find his file number and change it to 371. Make sure you click save as you do all this, otherwise your work will not take effect. Jack Haley, his number is 452. Same thing. Name this 452. Go in the folder and find his file number and change it to PNG 452.iff. Sally is 196. This photo actually looks like John Sally, which was a surprise. I randomly found these photos. I had no idea what they looked like, so I actually ran into some good luck here. So you'll change his to 196. Again, go into the folder, find his file, and change it to png196.iff. And Edwards is 466. Change that to 466. Find his file, rename it to 466. And then you will have the picture of Jordan in your game. Again, make sure you change Jordan to 3373 or he won't have that. And then go into your folder and rename his file 943 to 3373. And you'll have it. Hope this helped. This video should have explained everything to you. And this is what you should see. I'll give you an example here of what you'll see once you've done all this stuff. the game looks like it's running really slow, that's because I'm using this desktop recorder. So bear with me. Okay. So we're gonna go roster 1. And then go to your Bulls, and this is what you should see. There's Jordan, there's Longley, there's Winnington, there's Dickie Sampkins, John Sally, James Edwards, Jack Haley. So that's what your work should look like when you're done. Hope this helped.